Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda Accord key fob here. It works for these models 2013 and 2017 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 1620, and you can find this battery in the description, a small flat screwdriver and also a Phillips head screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is you need to turn the fob like this to the back, and right here you see this small Phillips head screw. Now take your Phillips head screwdriver and just remove this screw. Now when you remove the screw over here, turn the fob like this to the side and you see this small hole on this side. Now take the flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here in this hole, insert it, and now twist it a little bit. This will crack open over here, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. And now when you separate into two pieces, right after that on this side, you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, you need to install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the negative side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery right here with the negative side facing you, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this. Everything have to match perfectly, and just snap them together just like this here. And when you snap them together, take your Phillips head screw again, place it back in its place over here, place it, and when you do that, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.